In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create impressive 3D models from 2D images using the free Trellis 3D AI tool on Hugging Face. Let's begin by clicking the first link in the description, which takes you to the Trellis Hugging Face space. Once you're there, just drag and drop or upload the image you want to turn into a 3D model. For this example, we're using an image of an Iron Man suit. If your image has a background, don't worry, Trellis will remove it automatically. In our case, the image already has a transparent background, so that step isn't needed. But for most photos, Trellis handles background removal easily. After your image is uploaded, move on to the generation settings. There are two stages here: sparse structure generation and structured latent generation. If you're new to this, it's best to stick with the default settings for the best results. But if you want to experiment, you can always adjust these settings later to improve your results. When you're ready, click the Generate button. For our Iron Man image, it takes about 17 seconds to make the 3D model. That's pretty fast, especially for a free tool. Here's a quick but important tip. Make sure you're logged into your Hugging Face account before using this tool. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free in just a minute. Being logged in gives you more credits, so you can generate more 3D models without running out. Trust us, these extra credits are useful if you plan to make several models. Once your model is generated, take a moment to check it out. The Iron Man suit looks great. If you're not completely happy with it, you can always go back and tweak the settings to get better results. Now, let's move on to extracting the GLB file. This is the format you'll need if you want to use your 3D model in software like Blender, Cinema 4D, or other 3D tools. Go to the GLB extraction settings. For a more detailed model, try increasing the texture size. After making any changes, click Extract GLB. It might take a few moments, but once it's done, your GLB file will be ready to download. You can also spin the model for a full 360-degree view. Zoom in or out, explore it as you like. To download the file, just click Download GLB. If you're on Windows, you can open it with the 3D Viewer app from the Microsoft Store. If you don't have it, just search for GLB Viewer in Chrome, upload your file, and you'll get a great look at your 3D model. The model might not be perfect from every angle, but it's a fantastic starting point for your 3D projects. Now, let's try a different image to see how Trellis handles it. This time, we'll use an image of the Challenger spacecraft. When you upload it, Trellis will remove the background automatically. We'll keep the default settings and click Generate. Watch as a 3D video of the spacecraft is created. Once it's done, we'll extract the GLB file using the same settings as before. After a short wait, the 3D model is ready. While it isn't super detailed, it's a solid base for more editing. Just download the GLB file and you're all set. In summary, Trellis is a great tool for quickly turning 2D images into 3D models. While it's not perfect, it saves you a lot of time and is a great place to start your 3D projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content. Want to learn about another AI tool that makes short videos from a single prompt? Check out the video on your screen now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.